Hello guys, this is Manisha and welcome to my channel. Well, really sorry for my background. I tried shooting in every corner of my house, but yeah, this is where I end up. I couldn't find a good background. Yeah. So, okay. So today's video is about drawing a nose. I have already made videos on how to draw a realistic face and how to draw realistic eyes, so I'll put those video links in the description below, so do check them out. And yeah, I have a question for you guys today. Actually, my question is really simple. My question is, what is your genre? Like, do you do illustrations, or do you do caricature, or watercolor paintings, or doodles, or like what? So do let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Let's go, let's start.
As you all know by now, right side is the do's and the left side is the don'ts. What we all used to do is we draw a nose something like this. Even I should do the same. This is the way, but this is not exactly the way. Now for a realistic nose, we are going to make 3 circles just like I'm doing. One bigger circle in the middle, 2 smaller ones on each of the side. Once you're done, now draw the nostrils on the lower part of the circle where the 2 circles merge, and then draw a curve on the middle circle on the lower part just like I have done. Now we can draw the wings of the nose, not literal fairy wings, but the left and the right side of the nose. Keep in mind not to connect these lines with the nostrils below. The left and the right sides are gonna be slightly downwards below the nostrils. Well, the basic shape of the nose really depends upon the person. So yeah, just like eyes and ears and mouth, the shape of the nose varies. I'm really sorry, my camera just fell off at this moment, but yeah, I'm back. So once you're done, erase the guidelines, and now we can start adding shadows. For the upper part of the nose, draw on the guidelines, which may be slightly visible after you have erased it. We can draw a straight, slightly curved vertical line above the nose, on the both sides, of course. Use a softer pencil, probably a 6B or 4B, or even a 2B is like good for the first layer, of course. Then hold the pencil really parallel. You can hold it however you're comfortable with, but I'll suggest you to hold the pencil parallel, and then draw some shadows on the nose bridge and on the left and the right wings of the nose, leaving the middle portion lighter than the outer portion. Use a earbud or a smudging tool or your finger to smudge out the hard lines. Just keep adding shadows on the left and the right wing and the down portion of the nose, like the lower portion of the nose. What I have noticed is people usually draw round nostrils, which is kind of wrong. As long as a person isn't staring at the sky, there is no way you can see round, hollow nostrils. So avoid that. I was gonna draw a mouth, but then I'll show you how to draw a mouth in the next video. Add shadows under the nose, but keep the area right below the nose or near the nostrils a bit lighter. Do not make a round, dark circle near the nostrils. You can use the eraser. You can use a normal eraser or a kneaded eraser. I'll give a link in the description below. If you want to buy kneaded erasers, you can buy from there. You can now give some touch-ups. You can add some highlights. If you think your shadows are too dark, you can erase them off. And yep, that's it. That is how you draw a nose.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and the answer of my question. Well, I don't really know what my genre is. I basically do abstract paintings, which have a lot of women in it. But yeah, that's it. If you go to Google, type my name, which is Manisha Tulaskar, and click on the images below. You'll find all my paintings. I'll link some of my art pages and websites and blogs and whatever in the description below, so you can go check out my paintings. But yeah, I usually do a lot of abstract paintings which contain a lot of mixed media, watercolor, color pencils, color pens, markers, and yeah, basically everything. I also do digital painting and Photoshop, and I do digital painting mostly portraits, yeah, and backgrounds. Sometimes when I'm working, I am a 2D animator. My profession is of 2D animator, and I am an artist by soul. That's my resume's headline. Anyway, so yeah, and I even do pencil sketching, portrait sketching. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I love to read what you guys do, so do write in the comments below what your guys' genre is, what you guys do, and see you next time. Important, okay? Do like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. Chalo. Well, the video got cut, but all I wanted to say is see you next time. Toodles.